The moment you open TikTok, a video pops up for you to just watch, and as you scroll through on TikTok as well, you start to see different videos. But if you are someone that every time you open TikTok, the video that pops up, and as you scroll on TikTok, the video that you'll be seeing, you are not interested, I'm going to show you how you can just refresh your TikTok app, and then everything, video that you'll be watching, and then most of the For You page videos will start to change, and then you will start to see different videos right there. Don't worry, those that you be following, you continue to see their videos right there, so it's just safe, it is just a refresh. So just go to your profile. When you go to your profile, just tap on the three lines. When you just tap on the three lines, just tap on settings and privacy, and don't forget to like the video and also follow us for more videos as well. When you come to settings and privacy, just scroll down and go to content preference. Like the video and save the video for later. And at content preferences, just go to refresh your feed. When you tap on it, then when you come to this side, look down, we have continue. Just tap on continue right there, and this action cannot be undone. So just tap on refresh. So when you come to this side, they really want to know why you refresh your TikTok app. Okay, so you can just select any one of these, but most especially you can just select irrelevant content, just because what you are seeing is not relevant to you. That's why you are refreshing your TikTok app, so that you can just get new videos to watch. Okay, so just tap on submit down here, and then you are done, you are good to go. Just go back to your home, go back to your account, and just keep watching videos on TikTok. And every time you open TikTok, you start to see new videos, and it will really start with popular videos, then later it will just start to learn from what you just search, from what you like, and other stuffs right there. So don't forget to follow us, like the video, and share to a friend, and save this video for later. Stay alive, and bye for now.